That parrot got a face full of kitty paw. That parrot locked up the cat as payback. I reckon that pup ain't pleased with his grub dish. That car scared the heck out of the scorpion when it drove by. The cat pouted after the parrot plucked its whiskers. Two cats intensely watching two other cats getting ready to fight. Two cats turn around to cheer on two feline gladiators fighting. I reckon the pooch has discovered something about that ball. The mother cat is lurking to attack the owner and reclaim its kitten. Maybe the cat was scared and surprised by the strength of the rooster. I reckon the cat got spooked after climbing too high. The cat gets scared and jumps whenever the blanket moves. I think the cat is terrified after witnessing the power of the bomb dropped by the other cat. Abruptly, the cat startled at the sight of the dog being chased by a deer. The puppy suddenly jumped after a mischievous cat scare tactics. I reckon the cat's feeling curious about this peculiar critter. Maybe the cat is allergic to the perfume on owner's socks, causing nausea. I reckon them two kitties are getting to know each other. I reckon now the cat knows it's been hoodwinked by the owner. Maybe the cat was surprised seeing another cat with two eggs on its head. The kitty was shocked seeing the dog blowing up balloons. I don't think the cat fell flat on the ground after trying to explore the owner's armpit. That cat's sleeping spot is more perilous than a rodeo clown's job. The kitty was feeling pretty spooked after its owner raised their hand and threatened it. I don't reckon this hidey hole is the safest for that cat to be in. When the big cat can do nothing against the greediness. A sister ostrich ate dirt after tripping over a ball. The epic showdown of two tiny furballs engaged in a game of tit-for-tat. I reckon that doggo had to make amends after failing to intimidate. That kitty looked quite startled after a game of chase and catch. I reckon that kitty looked quite bewildered after realizing the mouse had gone. That duck couldn't quack its way out of the paws of that feline fighter. That doggo's having a rough time trying to scratch its tail fungus. That little kitty bolted after breaking free from that tube of doom. I reckon that pup was over the moon after catching a glimpse of its owner's car.